In this tutorial, we will walk you, the Plan Administrator, through the process of updating employee earnings on the RWAM Plan Administrator Services website. In this video, we will take you step by step through the process so you can confidently update earnings when required. As the Plan Administrator, you are responsible for the prompt reporting and updating of each employee's insurable income to RWAM so that the benefit coverage is kept current and, if applicable, increased to the maximum allowable. RWAM will notify you of members who become eligible for additional coverage because of their new wage. When should you follow this tutorial? The following tutorial is only applicable to eligible existing employees who need their income adjusted. Any employee whose hours have increased and who was not previously insured because they did not meet the minimum hour requirement according to your plan design should be treated as a new employee and be provided with an enrollment form to apply for coverage. In this case, you do not need to follow this tutorial. Instead, refer to planadministrator.rwam.com/resources for tutorials of how to add an employee. Any employee whose hours have decreased and dropped below the minimum hour requirement according to your plan design will no longer be eligible for coverage. RWAM must be notified immediately to arrange termination of coverage. In this case, you do not need to follow this tutorial. Instead, refer to planadministrator.rwam.com/resources for tutorials on how to terminate an employee's coverage. Now that we have verified you are following this tutorial to update earnings for a full-time existing employee, let's get started. First, you will need to log into your RWAM Plan Administrator Services account. Visit the website planadministrator.rwam.com to log in. Using the search bar found on the homepage, enter the employee's certificate number or last name and click Go. Click on the employee's name. This will take you to their certificate information. On the certificate information page, click on the Employee Information tab. Here you can edit the earnings field with the new earning details for your employee. Ensure you update the effective date to reflect the date of change for the new earnings details. RWAM requires the following information: the effective date of change in earnings, the new earnings rate, excluding any bonuses, overtime pay, dividends, expense allowances, or other extra compensation. Any increase or decrease in earnings due to a change in hours worked per week, Now that you have entered all the required information, click Save Certificate to finalize the changes. And that's it! Congratulations! You have successfully completed updating an employee's earnings on the RWAM Plan Administrator Services website. Want more self-guided tutorials? Click the Resource Book button on the Plan Administrator Services website for access to our library for resources made just for RWAM Plan Administrators. If you have any questions or want a more detailed one-on-one tutorial, contact your RWAM administration team at csr-groupadmin@rwam.com. Thanks for watching.